Well, hey guys, this is DK Spencer, and this is the Votatu H3L series. So Votatu is the only company that I have any kind of affiliate agreement with. I love their products, but you do get a discount code from me, and if you use it, I do get a very small amount of kickback from it. The discount code will be in the description for anybody that doesn't want to read. It's DK Spencer 15, so that gives you 15% off. This is Black Friday. If you buy anything today, they do have 20% off of their entire lineup. So you can go ahead and get a better discount if you buy it today. So anyway, there's all that. Let's check this thing out. Cue the intro. Alright, so we've got a green dot and we have a tan or gold dot. So I'm going to assume this is a green beam and a tan colored one. So I do know that these come in green, red, or blue beams, and I'm guessing they come in black or tan. So we will use a CRKT shrill today to open this one up. And love that knife. Very menacing point on it. Very, very thin. Love the colors. One of my faves. So we'll get that out of the way there and open this guy up. So we're going to test this out on a couple different less lethal and air gun things. Nothing in this video is going to be real firearms, but we will test it on stuff that is the same dimensions as real firearms. So if you have like a SIG M17 or a Glock 19X or a Glock 17, we'll find out how this looks on those for you. So anybody that's new to my channel is about 90% less lethal stuff, you know, like the X68s, Byrna, Salt Supply S2s, First Strike FSCs, VKSs, M17s, blah, 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 blah. Also do a fair amount of, you know, air gun stuff when I get to it. I do have a video coming up soon on the new short GK1 30 cal from Cuban, so make sure to check that out. And got a good one coming up on the Go Gun 6 needler with some darts. That's going to be very, very interesting. So make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for all that. Now, this one has a charging cable, so it is rechargeable. Plug it into a USB port, magnetic recharging cable. So this has a 1.5 hour charge time and a 2 hour run time, and it is visible up to 2,000 meters. Whatever a meter is, I don't know. I live in America. Alright, so the way this one is set up, and it does come with an extra screw, and it comes with an Allen key and an extra spring and that little black thing, whatever. So the way this one is set up, you've got 3 different holes, so you can adjust it depending on what your where your rail is hitting, so you can get it to adjust for a lot of different things. Let's see. So you turn it on, you got a nice dot there, you push both buttons at the same time and it blinks. From what I can tell, yeah, it looks like it's automatically always coming on in single and you have to tap both of them to change it. So anyway, so goldish finish, goldish tan finish. So let's try it on a 19X to start with. So this is a 19X BB gun, but exact same dimensions as an actual 19X. And same color, if you opted for that color on the 19X. Whoop. Okay, so with this one you're going to, whoops, going the wrong way there. This one you're going to want to put it in the very end there. Saved you a little time and tightened it off camera. But so there's what it looks like. I would probably go with a black one on that, even though it's tan, just because the gold color, it's okay, but it's not really matching up with the flat dark earth that great. Kinda, but and this has, you know, a lot of black accents on it, so I think a black one would look good. So anyway, fits that great. You're gonna do if you got your double-handed grip on there, you can hit it with your thumb to change it into the flashing. I kind of wish, you know, that you could set it to where it would flash when you cut it on. I wish you could, you know, it had memory, but it doesn't. It comes back on like that. But anyway, thing seems really solid. Let's see how the one thing with laser sights, some of your cheaper stuff, and I like the Votatu stuff a lot. They make some amazing little red dots. Now you can actually lock these. See the little things there. So with a screwdriver, you can actually tighten those down so they don't move as easy. And I think those are tightened down actually. All right, forget what I just said. I was completely wrong on that. Somebody told me that. Not the company, but somebody else told me that. Okay, yeah, I just wasn't turning it enough. I went to try to loosen that, and that does not move. Maybe it does on some of the other models. I've never read that from them or been told that from them, but one of my viewers told me one time that I failed to tell people that you could tighten and loosen those adjustments, and that was actually on, I know what it was on, yeah, and I think you can on that. Hold on. That was on this guy, the V8, V848. But I'm not seeing that as an option on mine now that I'm looking at it close. So anyway, that thing's pretty neat. I did a video on that too. So that's got infrared, laser, light, all that stuff, our illuminator and whatnot. But yeah, it looks like, yeah, if it can, it would be a weird thing you would have to use to do it with. So anyway, let's move on. That was a DPMS full auto BB gun, by the way. So anyway, that actually definitely tight adjustment, so that's great. Because some of your cheaper lasers and stuff like that, you'll find that they just don't stay put where they're supposed to, and you know, dinky. So let's try this on something else, like magic. All right, obviously everybody's going to want to know if it fits on the X68. It definitely does. Horrible color combination on that, so don't get that color for it if you got the orange one. But black one would look really nice on it. This is a Votatu. What is this one? I love this one. This is the good Lord, PMD. Jeez. So this is the PMD505R. I had to go out there and get a magnifying glass to even see it. PMD505R. This is absolutely one of my favorite optics. I love this thing. Absolutely love it. And I'm getting ready to review the EMD507. So stay tuned for that. So anyway, there we go. And a lot of people ask about what is the, you know, best less lethal or whatever. The strongest thing you can get out the box is this right here. And I will put a link for these. So this is actually one of the old school ones, the mercurized intrabuster. But the Gen 2 X68 pistol, strongest thing you can get out the box as far as a pistol goes. So I'll put a link for that. So. But and I just did a video where I upgraded this one to Gen 2 internals. So let's try this on something else. Will it fit a Berna SD? Yes, it will. Definitely go with black. But yeah, if you got black. But anyway, yeah. So it fits that very nicely. So Berna SD. I know somebody's going to ask, will it fit a Berna CL? It will, but it's going to stick out that far. So it's not, you know, and you're going to have that much rail showing at the bottom of it and everything, or, you know. So, yeah, not recommended for the CL. All right, Glock 17. So this is one of the Umarex T4E Glocks, 43 caliber training pistol, basically. Yes, obviously it will fit a Glock 17. Alright, SIG M17. And actually, looks pretty nice on that one. I think that might be the one to show for the cover. So anyway, I don't know. The color looks better on the M17. I didn't realize there's not much difference in the yeah there is between that and the Glock. The bottom part of this matches it better. So yeah, I probably would run that color on that one. Depending on how the light hits it, it actually matches pretty nicely. So this is a CO2 powered pellet pistol, but same dimensions. So yeah, if you have one of these, be careful. A real one anyway. For the record, the air gun does not go off on you unless you're shooting it, unlike the real one. And we will check it on the Salt Supply S2. I was just going to show you since I've already got this one on here. So this is the G2LG, also from Votatu. And I'll try to remember to link that one too. But this is a light and green laser. Really, really awesome setup there. So, but let's see what this other one looks like. Alright, so there we go. Obviously the fit's good, but the finish would be kind of dumb on this one. I really wish they'd have sent me a black one, dang it. So anyway, there's that. Fits perfect. And there's not much it's not going to fit. I'm not going to show it on a Byrna LE. It would definitely fit a Byrna LE. My LE has been modified to not have the boost thing hanging down. So mine's different than your standard Byrna LE. So yeah, I got rid of the boost thing, which makes your rail lower. But, you know, no point in showing you that. All right, so I think that's about it. I don't know what else I could, you know, put it on at this point. But Votatu, definitely great products. Definitely the optics, the red dots, I absolutely love them. So stay tuned for the review on the new EMD 507. And there you go. So save you some money today, Black Friday. And if you don't miss it, or if you don't catch it today, don't forget about my discount code. I'll put a link for that. And catch you guys on the next one. I almost completely forgot the BP-50. I don't know how I almost forgot that, because this is like one of my favorite launchers. I love this little guy. So yeah, it fits the BP-50 perfectly. So, ha.